Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's AJ. So today I am going to an event in Gurgaon and it's from 11 to 1. So that would be the thing I'll be doing, and in the second half I'll be going to the office. So let's see how this day goes, and I'm all ready. I'll just show you my outfit today, and I'll be wearing a blazer on it. Alright, wait. So guys, this is the outfit. Okay, and this is the blazer I'll be wearing. Okay, never mind. So मैं तैयार हो चुकी हूँ and मेरी shuttle है at 8:50. So अभी हो रहे हैं 8:15 and I'll be going like 15 minutes early because इधर से थोड़ा walking distance है, 10 minutes का मान लो. तो yeah, all set and मैंने backpack कर लिया है. Everything's done. So this would be my event where it's from LinkedIn, and I've been invited into that, and the topic is AI and talent. There would be two speakers. I'll show you I'll take you with me, so I'll show you not the whole event, but yeah, some bits and pieces of that. So let's go. This is the final look, everyone. This is so nice.
Or have to behave now in this so-called new norm, if possible.
Okay guys, so the event is over. लिफ्ट भी खुलने वाली है, मैं आती हुए. Hey guys, so मेरी अभी एक क्लाइंट मीटिंग भी थी तो मैं वो भी करके आ गई हूँ, and now I'm at Cyber Hub. I am meeting a friend here now. So yeah, and then फिर मैं घर जाऊँगी and I'll give you all the updates. To be honest, there are so many insightful things I've learned in this session. I'll let you know. Hi guys, so this is the next day. कल मैं जब घर पे आई थी I was very tired and मतलब मेरा ऐसे प्लान था कि मैं उधर जाके ऑफिस जाऊँगी, बट टाइम नहीं था. सो या मैं घर आ गई थी एंड आई वॉज वेरी टायर्ड कि मैं आके खाना खा के सो गई थी. सो या दैट वॉज द थिंग. प्लस आई वॉन्ट टू गिव यू इनसाइट्स ऑफ द सेशन, एंड राइट नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू ऑफिस. आई एम गेटिंग लेट, सो आई विल गिव इट टू नाइट. मोस्ट प्रॉबेबली आई विल गिव इट टू नाइट. ओके, अगर उससे पहले टाइम मिलता है, वैसे तो ऑफिस में होंगी तो क्या ही होगा, बट लेट्स सी. अगर होता है तो आई विल talk to you there. Okay. Hey guys, so this is few days later and I'm gonna continue this video now. So I wanted to explain what happened and how the process was and how the event was. So let me first tell you, I got this diary by LinkedIn. Again, this is front camera, so you would be getting that mirror image, but I got this diary from LinkedIn. And they had given me this thing. Okay, जो event में जाता है तो उसको ये मिलता है. And there was this notepad by Oberoi Hotels and Resorts, so we could write the notes, right? I am a kind of person, मैं किसी भी event में जाती हूँ या conference में जाती हूँ, I do write notes there because जो वो बोल रहे होते हैं आई वॉन्ट टू जॉट इट डाउन एंड दैट्स मी. ओके, तो मैं बस सुनने नहीं जाती हूँ, मैं लिखती भी हूँ साथ साथ में. सो आई हैव रिटन सो मैनी comments and everything. I think I've filled 3 pages there. Yeah, 3 pages. Alright, I'm flipping this notepad by the way. Okay, so I got these 3 things there. Also, what happened was the event was of AI and it was AI and talent for recruiters. Okay, so what happened was I was invited there and they were telling me, they were giving a speech on how AI can be, or a generative AI I should say, how that can be helpful for the recruiters to recruit the best talent and the best hiring for their company as well as the client company. Alright, so as I have my own company which is Celigo Consultants Private Limited, yeah, I am promoting also. So what happens is, this is a recruitment services providing company, placement services. So I have clients जिनको मैं recruit करके देती हूँ candidates, and that's why this event was helpful for me. So down the line, LinkedIn is very helpful because you get the most quality wise talent there. I should say there are so many senior level talents which you can get from LinkedIn. जो मैंने अभी तक देखा है, मिड लेवल एंड सीनियर लेवल जनरली लिंक्डइन से मिल जाते हैं, बट एंट्री लेवल का एज सच नहीं मिल पाता है. सो फॉर दैट ऑल्सो दे सेड, LinkedIn people said that what happens is there are a lot of people who are freshers or entry level. Entry level is basically from 1 to 2 or 0 to 2 or 3. Okay, that's the entry level range. Years experience in years. Okay, so what happens is उसके भी बहुत सारे applicants हैं उधर. So they said that, but posting होगी तभी होगा. But I just found out that LinkedIn is expensive, I should say, because yeah, the premium, I think the recruiter lite also, so whatever they're told, that's expensive. So down the line maybe I'll use it, okay, down the line, because we have to do the huge investment being a recruitment service providing company. All right, so basically this was the gist of the event. And yeah, so I'm also gonna end the video because बहुत time हो गया है. So I was invited to this event on 30th, कौन सा महीना था पहले, मई चल रहा ना, April, 30th April, and today is 18th May, so I have to post the video. So yeah, बहुत time हो गया because of hectic schedules and busy schedules. I wasn't able to record this video. So finally I've done it and I'm getting late for my office. मैंने सुबह ही record की है just ये, so I'm going to the office now. So this is it for the video. Do like, share, subscribe and comment down below if you were present in that event, or if you know any HR events for further notice so that I can attend it physically, because see, there are so many virtual events, but I really want to network with people, so that's why I want the HR events in physical form. So that is the thing. So if you guys know any kind of event in Delhi, I am in Delhi, so I want the event should be in Delhi. So yeah, okay, मेरा हाथ दर्द हो गया. So bye bye, see ya in the next video.